Be ready. Start. The route in question is admittedly a long route covering a distance of 154 kilometers. Marks appear to have been awarded to the various applicants for the respective qualifications claimed by them as seen from the mark list appended to the impugned order. It can be seen that both the appellants as well as respondent 3 and 4 could claim 5 marks in all. But for sector qualification, the fourth respondent as well as the appellant in 145 of 1983 could score only 3 marks, while the appellant in MVAA number 102/83 and the third respondent could claim 4 marks for sector. The correctness of award for marks in favor of the various applicants as shown in the mark list attached in the impugned order was not challenged before me. A perusal of the mark list will clearly show that by reason of their full sector qualifications, the appellant in MVAA number 102/83 and the common third respondent in both these appeals were better qualified than the other applicants who sought the permit before the RTA. It is also further seen that on the date on which the impugned order was passed, the appellant in MVAA 1 and the third respondent were operating temporary service on the identical route on the strength of temporary permits issued to them. In fact, for the grant of the said permits, they competed with other rival applicants before the RTA. Tenure and a temporary permit each was granted to them as per the proceedings of the RTA dated 21/12/1982, wherein was held that they held superior qualifications compared to the rival applicants. In the impugned order, apart from stating that the appellant in MVAA 102/83 is having a PUCA permit on the almost identical route, nothing less is stated which could justify the said appellant being disqualified for the grant. PUCA sector qualification can hardly be disqualification. It can thus be seen that the grant of permit in favor of the common fourth respondent in preference to the appellant in MVAA number 102/83 was in any way not justified. The grant of permit appears to have been made in favor of the fourth respondent only because she offered a 1983 model vehicle. The model of the vehicle offered by the third respondent could have assumed significance only if she was equally qualified in respect of other relevant qualifications as the other rival applicants, and since that is not so, the preference given to her only on the basis of the 1983 model vehicle offered by her cannot be supported. The appellant also offered a vehicle KLN 9229 even in his application for the grant of the permit and also in his representation. None of the parties has got any case that the vehicle offered by him was in any way unfit and unsuitable for operating the service, and in fact it was with the said vehicle that it was operating temporary service on the identical route on the date on which the impugned order was passed. Stop.